Hi, my name is Annabelle O'Hare, and I am a freshman at Indiana University. I am studying elementary education with a concentration in math and a minor in sport marketing. I am hoping to teach fourth grade in the future. This is my About Me page. I believe that it is very important to integrate technology into my future classroom, especially after taking W200. Technology supports student thinking processes, promotes differentiation, and prepares students for the future. In today's world, technology is extremely relevant. Nearly every person in the United States uses the internet in some way every single day. It is necessary that students learn how to work with technology and best utilize its resources. This is my professional development page. At the top, you can see how I progressed throughout this semester and how I improved my skills in technology at the beginning of the course to the end of the course. Below that, I have the 10 badges that I completed. This showcases the work that I did this semester and has links to each project I have done. This page is my ISTE standards. I went through each standard and inserted supporting projects demonstrating how I met each standard. These projects also have links provided. Finally, I have my gallery page, where I highlighted my 4 best pieces of work. First, I developed a problem-based learning lesson plan where students were asked to determine how the Revolutionary War impacted the development of Indiana. This lesson is great for students because it allows them to collaborate in groups, demonstrate researching skills, and present findings in front of an audience. Next, I created a s'more newsletter introducing myself to my future students and their parents. This is very effective because it allows me to communicate in an efficient way to parents about important information. This will be a great resource to use in the future as I can keep students and parents updated on classroom information. Next, I created a YouTube video of me solving an algebraic problem out on a whiteboard. This tool is useful in a classroom because it gives students the opportunity to work in an environment outside of school. The students can stop the video whenever needed, so it benefits different learners. Lastly, I used Edpuzzle. This resource allows you to create or use current videos and add in questions throughout. I did mine on adding fractions, and this is a really important standard, so this tool is the perfect way to assess students' understanding. This program enhances students' learning because they remain engaged and are being tested on their knowledge. As a result of W200, I learned how to best use many different tools that I intend on integrating into my classroom. I will definitely be using some of them due to their ability to enhance students' learning. W200 was a very useful course that helped me understand how to most efficiently utilize technology into my classroom and lesson plans. I can improve on my knowledge on how to use technology to benefit students with disabilities and will continue to work on this in the future. I enjoyed this course and would recommend it to any future educator.